2.0 tools and social media into the classroom. The purpose of this presentation is to educate on available Web 2.0 and social media tools and to provide ideas for implementing these tools into the classroom. The goal for this presentation is for educators to be able to identify and implement Web 2.0 and social media tools in the classroom. The objectives for this presentation that will aid educators in meeting this goal are to be able to list several Web 2.0 and social media tools and to describe classroom lessons that incorporate Web 2.0 and social media tools. In order to meet this goal and these objectives, this presentation will focus on identifying popular Web 2.0 and social media tools and to provide ideas for using them in ELA, math, science, and social studies classrooms. In order to implement Web 2.0 and social media tools in the classroom, one must understand what these tools are and why they are useful. Web 2.0 tools utilize technology to encourage collaboration and communication between educators and learners. These tools include blogs, wikis, social media, and video applications. Social media consists of online networks that connect individuals with common interests. Social media allows people to share videos, photos, and text, and to comment on others' contributions. There are several reasons why Web 2.0 and social media tools should be used in the classroom. First, these tools promote active learning. Additionally, they promote critical thinking, as most of the tools require students to create something new. Web 2.0 and social media improve collaboration and communication skills as students interact with their teachers and peers. Next, these tools prepare students for future careers. Many careers emphasize a need for technology skills, and students can gain valuable experience by using these tools in school. Finally, individualized learning can be created by utilizing Web 2.0 and social media. Web 2.0 and social media tools share common characteristics. Friedman and Friedman 2013 describe these characteristics as the 5 C's: communication, collaboration, community, creativity, and convergence. Web 2.0 tools encourage students to communicate and collaborate with each other. This communication and collaboration is apparent in social media tools that allow students to join groups of shared interests. Additionally, Web 2.0 and social media tools allow for the creation of learning communities. Creativity is encouraged as students create original posts, essays, responses, videos, and presentations. Finally, Web 2.0 and social media tools are often created by combining media formats such as video, text, sound, and animation. The following are a few examples of available Web 2.0 tools. These tools are blogs, wikis, YouTube, podcasts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google Suite, Microsoft Office, Animoto, VoiceThread, and Prezi. While all of these tools are different and have various areas of focus, they are all able to be used for collaboration and communication in an online environment. Exploring the capabilities of each of these tools offers opportunities for educators to create engaging and motivating lessons for students to complete. Social media tools focus on the sharing of ideas and information, usually with individuals who share common interests. Some of these tools include Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, Reddit, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat are commonly used to like, share, and comment on posts or to share pictures and videos. LinkedIn and WhatsApp offer professionals the opportunity to connect and communicate. YouTube and Pinterest offer opportunities to find content on a multitude of topics. There are many ways to incorporate Web 2.0 and social media tools into the ELA classroom. The following are a few ideas for creating lessons using these tools. First, an educator can use a tool such as Flipgrid to record a read aloud. This read aloud can then be shared with students. This idea works great for distance learning. Another idea for ELA would be to create a blog. Once students are familiar with blogging, they can complete essays or write short stories on their blog, and the educator can use the blog as a portfolio for each student. Students can write creative stories and create digital stories with animation and sound using apps such as Storybird. Finally, students can join a class Twitter account and can summarize articles and readings in a tweet at the end of class. Most of these lesson ideas could be graded and used for assessment purposes. Another assessment idea for ELA is to create Kahoot or Quizzes multiple choice games. These games collect data for each student that can be analyzed by the educator in order to make improvements or reteach concepts. Web 2.0 and social media tools are useful in the math classroom for creating engaging activities. The following are lesson ideas for implementing these tools in the math classroom. First, there are interactive math games that have been created that allow students to collaborate and play with each other as they practice a range of math skills. These games include Prodigy, IXL, and MobyMax. Next, using an application such as Whiteboard.fi, a class can be invited through a URL to join a virtual whiteboard where the educator and students can work through math problems together in real time. Another idea is to have students video themselves solving a math problem and upload the video to YouTube. They can adjust the settings to private and share with just the teacher. Finally, students can take a picture of a math problem they have solved and send it through Snapchat. The person receiving the picture can screenshot it, use the pen to mark any mistakes, and send it back to the original person. To assess using Web 2.0 tools, an educator can create a class on a social media site such as Edmodo and create assignments and quizzes for students to complete. Web 2.0 and social media tools are also valuable in the science and social studies classrooms. In science, students could be asked to take pictures of science concepts and share them on Instagram. For example, students could be asked to take a picture of a mammal, post the picture to Instagram, and caption the picture with the characteristics that make the animal a mammal. Students could also respond to a science question on a discussion post. Finally, students could collaborate on Google Slides to create a presentation on a science concept. To assess students in science, the educator could create a review game using Plickers, a multiple choice question game, or have students post a response to an exit slip on Facebook. Students could then like or comment on each other's posts. In social studies, students could create a propaganda poster when studying World War II, or any type of poster, using an application such as Animaker. Students could respond to a discussion post or engage in a class debate over Zoom. To assess students in social studies, essays could be written on any topic and posted to a classroom blog. Students could also collaborate with peers to become experts on a topic and create a wiki demonstrating their knowledge. Although Web 2.0 and social media tools provide many engaging educational opportunities, many educators may still be hesitant to utilize these tools in their classrooms. Chen and Breyer, 2012, note that some educators state that an increase in cyberbullying, a risk to student privacy, and time constraints to learn these tools are reasons for not using Web 2.0 and social media in the classroom. However, the authors state that there are ways to address these issues. First, educators need to be trained in the learning theories that support the use of these tools. Educators also need training in how to use these tools. Finally, increased support and encouragement from administration in incorporating Web 2.0 tools may also increase the likelihood of these tools being used in the classroom. The following references were used in the creation of this presentation. Thank you for viewing.